Reviewing for the ALE?
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review. We offer basic comprehensive review and Design Rule 7 and 8 review.
We also have refresher review and special coaching.
Full package students get FREE unlimited access to our mobile app with thousands of practice questions.
You can enroll at any of our branches in Quezon City, Alabang, and Pampanga for face-to-face review classes.
You can also opt for our online mode and review anywhere in the Philippines. Choose which is more convenient for you.
Atlas CDC is offering 40% up to 100% discount for students with Latin honors.
Guys, if you are a member of an architectural student or graduate organization, you can get 10% discount. If you are an officer, you can get as much as 50% discount.
Top architectural thesis awardee in your school?
Get 15% up to as much as 50% on your board exam review.
For Barkada Group of 5, students get 10% discount.
And for Barkada Group of 10, students get 15% off.
Are you a board repeater? You can get 15% up to as much as 50% discount at Atlas CDC Review. PM us
Now.
The earlier you register, the bigger the discount.
Let's experience and discover Atlas CDC.
Atlas is everything.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the architecture board exams. Message us now.